It has been, extremely obvious to analysts in the United States that the way that the global market has evolved makes no sense under kind of typical economic theories, right? Why is it the case that all of these vehicles from everywhere else now are imported into the US, but nothing is exported from the US to anywhere else? And why is it the case that there's a 10% tariff on US vehicles coming into Europe and only a 2.5% tariff on European vehicles coming? It's actually a little bit strange. And then of course China shows up and is again, as everywhere else, the worst offender, has 25% tariffs. And you see the consequences of that. The most obvious one was that Tesla, in order to start selling in the Chinese market, had to go open a manufacturing plant in Shanghai. And this is the quintessential example where, okay, if free trade were working, right, the cutting edge, leading edge technology in electric vehicles developed in the United States with both public subsidies and US capital, investment, innovation, and now we have the best product, we could sell that to China. That would be fantastic. Imagine all jobs. Nope. No, you can't. You have to go set up the factory in China. What happens once you do that? Well, two things. First of all, the Chinese government pays you to do it, makes it the best place to build your cars. Pretty soon it's Tesla's biggest manufacturing facility. By some estimates, the majority of all Teslas worldwide. And then all of the Chinese engineers who you train in your Tesla factory leave to build up Chinese EV manufacturers who then eat Tesla's lunch in China. And so within about 5 years, you then have Elon Musk saying, actually, we can't even compete with these Chinese EV companies, and they're going to sort of eat everybody's lunch. And now the US market is going to need protection. And so that is the lived reality of the US hands behind the back model of free trade, and it's the one that the US is not going to tolerate anymore.